Imagine a tool so powerful that it can help you navigate your thoughts, emotions, and life experiences, all while encouraging self-growth and understanding. Welcome to the transformative world of journaling. At its core, journaling is a personal space for you to express, reflect, and explore the canvas of your life. It's a voyage of self-discovery, a key to unlock the doors of inner wisdom and self-awareness. It can be your therapist, your confidant, your motivational coach, all wrapped into one. A journal can help you declutter your mind, channel your thoughts, and provide a fresh perspective. It can be a catalyst for change, a tool for self-improvement, and a pathway to better mental health. It can help you find clarity amidst chaos and bring tranquility in the whirlwind of life. Stick around to learn how to harness the power of journaling. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you already keep a journal. So, you're ready to start journaling, but where do you begin? Well, the good news is it's simpler than you think. The first thing you need to start journaling is, of course, a journal. This doesn't need to be an expensive leather-bound tome, any notebook will do. The key is to choose something that resonates with you. Maybe you want a journal with an inspiring quote on the front, or perhaps you prefer a plain notebook that you can decorate yourself. The point is, your journal should be a place you want to visit every day. Then, you need a pen. Again, this doesn't have to be a gold-tipped quill. Any pen that feels comfortable in your hand and makes you want to write will do the trick. The goal here is to remove any barriers that might prevent you from getting your thoughts onto the page. Once you've got your journal and pen sorted, the next step is to decide when you're going to write. This is crucial because setting aside a specific time each day for journaling helps to turn it into a habit. If you're a morning person, you might find that journaling first thing in the day helps to clear your mind and set your intentions for the day ahead. If you're more of a night owl, journaling in the evening might be a great way to unwind and reflect on the day's events. Now you might be thinking, what if I don't have time to journal every day? That's a valid concern. But remember, journaling doesn't have to take hours. Even 10 or 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. The important thing is to make it a regular part of your routine. And that's it. You're ready to start journaling. It's as simple as finding a notebook, grabbing a pen, and deciding when you're going to write. Don't worry about getting it perfect. Just get started. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to journaling. So pick a time that works best for you. The blank page stares back at you and you're unsure what to write. Don't worry, you're not alone. So what exactly should you write in your journal? The answer is simple: anything and everything that comes to mind. You see, the beauty of journaling lies in its flexibility. It can be anything you want it to be. You could start by recounting your daily experiences. What happened today? How did it make you feel? Writing about your day can help you see patterns, understand your reactions, and make sense of your emotions. Then again, your journal can be a safe space for your thoughts. It could be an idea that's been nagging at you, or a sudden realization about something or someone. Don't hesitate to let your thoughts flow freely onto the paper. And speaking of emotions, why not delve into them? Your joys, your sorrows, your fears, your hopes. Write them down. Explore them. Understand them. Expressing your emotions can be incredibly therapeutic and can lead to personal growth. Now, what about your dreams? Those delightful or terrifying realms you drift into when you sleep. Writing your dreams down can help you remember them better and may even help you understand what they signify. Your journal can also be the canvas for your goals. What do you want to achieve? What steps are you planning to take towards that goal? Tracking your progress can be incredibly motivating and can keep you focused on your path. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to journal. It's a personal journey, a path only you can tread. The most important thing is that you're honest with yourself. Don't censor your thoughts or emotions. Let them flow naturally and authentically. Your journal is not a place for pretense or judgment. It's not a stage where you perform for an audience. It's your private sanctuary, a place where you can be completely honest and authentic with yourself. Your journal is your sanctuary. It's a place where you can be completely honest and authentic with yourself. Did you know there are different types of journals you can keep? That's right, journaling isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. There's a variety of journals out there, each with its unique purpose, and each can aid in specific areas of self-improvement. Let's start with the gratitude journal. This is a space where you jot down things you're thankful for each day. It's an excellent tool for nurturing a positive mindset. By focusing on the good in your life, you cultivate an attitude of gratitude which is linked to increased happiness and satisfaction. Next up, we have dream journals. These are especially fascinating because they involve recording your dreams. You might wonder, why would I want to do that? Well, dream journals can serve as a window into your subconscious mind, helping you understand your emotions, fears, and desires on a deeper level. Then there's the travel journal. This isn't just a log of your itineraries, rather it's a place to record your experiences, impressions, and the emotions evoked by new environments and cultures. It's a tangible memory bank that can transport you back to those special moments anytime. Don't forget the bullet journal. It's an organizational powerhouse, combining to-do lists, schedules, and notes. It's not only a tool to keep track of your tasks, but also a method to visualize your productivity and progress over time. Lastly, let's talk about the reflection journal. This is a space to contemplate and dissect your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It's a powerful tool for personal growth and self-awareness, encouraging introspection and fostering understanding of oneself. Now remember, there's no rule that says you can only keep one type of journal. Feel free to mix and match according to your needs. Maybe you want to keep a gratitude log within your bullet journal or jot down dreams in your reflection journal. The possibilities are endless. Choosing the right type of journal for you can significantly enhance your journaling experience. So explore, experiment, and find the journal that resonates with your journey of self-improvement. Journaling can sometimes feel challenging, but don't worry, every new habit comes with its own set of hurdles. Now let's dive into some common stumbling blocks that you might face when you start journaling, and more importantly, how to overcome them. First up, the challenge of consistency. We often start journaling with gusto, only to find our enthusiasm waning after a few days. The solution? Make it a routine. Try to journal at the same time each day, be it morning, afternoon, or night. This makes it easier for journaling to become a part of your daily rhythm. And remember, it's okay if you miss a day or two. The important thing is to get back on track. Don't let a small hiccup turn into a complete stop. Next, the fear of judgment. This can be a daunting hurdle. What if someone reads my journal? What will they think of me? But remember, your journal is your private sanctuary, a place for your unfiltered thoughts and feelings. It's not meant for anyone else's eyes. If privacy is a concern, consider a digital journal with a password protection or a traditional journal with a lock. Another challenge is the notion of perfection. We often believe that our entries need to be flawless, profound, or insightful every single time. But that's not the case. Your journal is a reflection of you. It can be messy, random, and imperfect. It's a space to express yourself freely, without the pressure of perfection. Finally, the infamous writer's block. We've all been there, staring at a blank page, not knowing what to write. If you're stuck, try using journal prompts. They can be simple questions or statements that spark your thoughts and get your pen moving. And remember, there's no right or wrong way to journal. It's a personal journey, unique to each individual. Remember, the only bad journal entry is the one that never gets written. So pick up that pen, open that journal, and let your thoughts flow. So, are you ready to change your life with journaling? We've journeyed together through the land of journaling, discovering its numerous benefits along the way. We've seen how it helps in self-reflection, boosts creativity, and aids in mental health. We've also learned how to kickstart this practice, letting go of perfection and embracing the process instead. We've explored the vast universe of topics that our pens can dance upon, from our daily experiences to our deepest fears and greatest joys. We've dived into the different types of journals, each with its unique charm and purpose. And finally, we've discussed how to overcome the challenges that may arise in this journey, such as lack of time, motivation, or ideas. Start your journaling journey today and witness the transformative power of putting pen to paper. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your journaling experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep writing, keep growing.